Hey guys, in this video today we're going to show you how to install these puddle lights on your Maserati sedan. And this should work on the 2014 and up Ghibli and Quattroporte. Here are the lights that I got from AliExpress. They were $12, but if you use my link you could get up to $2 off. In the package itself, it's just these two lights and that's it. No other wires, just plug and play. So now we're going to open the door and we're going to look at the light at the bottom of the door. There should be one, it's incandescent and it's going to be very hot. Here's that light and we're going to use a flat tip screwdriver to remove it. On one side of the light, there's a place where you can put your flat tip and then just pry it downward. It should come out easily. And once it comes out, just pull the light out as far as possible to expose that white wire connector. In this connector, there's a white tab, you just have to press down, and then you can pull out the light. The light will fit in this connector just fine, all you have to do is just slide it in. It does snap in, and then the light should come on immediately. So that was an easy swap, just snap it back into the door and you're good to go. When you look on the ground, you'll be able to see the Maserati logo. Now note that this is the wrong orientation. I swapped it with the other light, and the other light was the correct orientation, and it looks like this. All good! On the other side of the car, you're going to do the exact same thing. Open the door first. Look for that light under the door. Use the flat tip screwdriver to pry this light out. Pull the light out as far as you can to where you expose the white connector. Push down the tab on that white connector using your flat tip screwdriver. And then pull out the light. Then place the new one in its place. Comes on immediately. Then push this back into the door. It should snap right back into place. And that's how you install these puddle lights. Very easy job. Drop a like down below if it helped you. Use the link down in the description below. Hope this helps you out and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.